I'm refreshing on the back there. You're going to launch your bus, but you wouldn't want to travel too close with your car, so the insurance company doesn't have a business unit.